एलिगेंट। आपने लूसीफर देखा नहीं है, नहीं तो आप देखिए, लूसीफर तो यंग लड़का दिखाते हैं, वेरी एलिगेंट। अगर मैं उसकी शक्ल आपको कैसे एक्सप्लेन करूं,
शैतान एलिगेंट था,
वेरी एलिगेंट।
You chose the devil.
I mean, I just randomly picked a card.
Satanism is the explicit worship of Shaitan, also known as the devil or Lucifer. It is a growing religion which revolves around satisfying your desires to the maximum. The motto of Satanism is "Do what thou wilt." It means to follow what you desire and be your own God. By removing God from your lives, this agenda lures you into focusing on worldly pleasures, because the world of Dajjal is one built on pleasure, consumption and free will.
أفرأيت من اتخذ إلهه هواه وأضله الله على علم وختم على سمعه وقلبه وجعل على بصره غشاوة فمن يهديه من بعد الله أفلا تتذكرون.
2 years ago, we all thought Satanism is a story of the West and it is very unlikely that we will see it here in Pakistan. But here we are. Our youth has taken over this trend as well. Indus University of Pakistan arranged a party full of satanic signs and symbols. It went as far as arranging an Illuminati symbol with the quote, "Satan is happy with your progress." Not only this, a private party was also arranged in the Korangi area of Karachi to celebrate the festival of Halloween, which is entirely based on shirk and Satan worship as well. Bottles of alcohol were also found at the party. Moving on, the Pakistani media has also jumped on the trend for views and rating. They have started calling people who want to encourage people to worship Satan and that Shaitan is very elegant.
वेरी एलिगेंट। आपने लूसीफर देखा नहीं है, नहीं तो आप देखिए, लूसीफर तो यंग लड़का दिखाते हैं, वेरी एलिगेंट। अगर मैं उसकी शक्ल आपको कैसे एक्सप्लेन करूं,
शैतान एलिगेंट था,
वेरी एलिगेंट। ग्रे कलर का सूट उसने पहना हुआ, ग्रे टाई लगाई हुई, 45-50 की एज में, और स्माइल। लूसीफर इज नॉट लाइक अ हॉर्न्स एंड टेल एंड नो। हम भूल जाते हैं एक बात को, नॉट आर नॉट अगली। खड़ा हुआ मुझे स्माइल करके मेरे कहता है, आई लाइक द सेंटेंस ही यूज्ड। ही सेड, उसको तो उसके आगे सजदे करके देख लिए, उससे मांग के देख लिया, अब मुझसे मांग के देख लो।
Even the celebrities are following this trend, taking part in a show where they are fooled that somehow anyone can control them and their actions. This is truly baseless and is clearly a footstep of Shaitan. It is done for the purpose of misleading people and making them curious, so they waste their precious time over such things instead of studying their deen. Do you know what has brought us to this situation? It is the premise of calling everything as art. If you think this is just a trend and has no impact on the society, then you are living in a delusion. Allah says in the Quran to not follow the footsteps of Shaitan, and after watching all this, you still think that these aren't the footsteps of Shaitan, then he has played with your mind very well. You need to clean your mind with the poison that Shaitan and his enemies have filled it with.
خطوات الشيطان ومن يتبع خطوات الشيطان فإنه يأمر بالفحشاء والمنكر ولولا فضل الله عليكم ورحمته ما زكى منكم من أحد أبدا ولكن الله يزكي من يشاء